Yeah, my people, you are welcome to my program of today. As they say, no go no no. When I true, no go ever know. Don't let person when be say no get work come out you for the one when you dey manage you. Person when he give you ladder take climb up, make sure you trust am. May not go climb up finish, he go carry you come out. Man when not get money to go restaurants go chop, now food for wheelbarrow when they along the road, now there be restaurants. Now more go to the reason why we are here today. Today we are going to talk about wife. Who is your wife? You when be say you don't marry. Who is your wife? Can you define your wife? Some people don't turn their wife to wifey. You know, wifey, you feel and do anything you like. Can use it for Facebook, can use it for anything. When you say if you use wifey, do now you do now you do. Some people don't turn their wife to wifey. Wife is a precious gift from God. Those people don't know. We need to respect our wife. We need to respect our wife. Men, we need to respect our wife. I know say some people that they give their wife the normal respect. I give people hand. Those people be say that they respect their wife. And for those people who say they don't respect their wife, I want to quickly tell you now, small thing. You see, I know say some women, they provoke man, good. But if you be man, when be say you get that kind of wife, when be say, you get sometimes when be say your wife, they provoke you. My dear, anytime when your wife do anything, when be say vex you, not be to beat am, not be to destroy things. Kukuma come up for house, go rest for somewhere. Anytime when your man calm down, come house, go straight to your bed, sleep. Finish. Don't be every day people go dey lis ten to now, say you dey beat your wife or you and your wife dey quarrel. No. May we learn how to respect our wife. Women are trying. Women are trying. Especially those who get children. They will take their children to school. They will cook. Some people will say, who go done before? I know say na dem go do am. But how you today support this your wife? Someday, their wife don't become dog when they keep for inside house. They don't they let their wife they step outside. Even son, when they up, their wife know they see him. If they want go market, now the man go market by himself, go buy things. Not be saying I love because he don't want the wife to go outside. He just want punish the woman. The only thing when the woman they do for us now to serve the man food, to wash ground. He not go ever carry the wife say, come, we will go outside, we will go stroll, or we will go do this. He not go allow his wife attend any meeting. Even if his friend invite her for anything, he not go let his wife go. We should learn how to give our wife a breathing space. That thing so, it dey give woman comfort. It dey make woman dey comfortable. It dey give woman joy. If you dey render other service to your wife, please. Those when turn their wife to wifey, stop it. Okay? Stop it now. Give your wife a breathing space. Your wife is not a housekeeper. Your wife is not a dog. Your wife is not a fowl. Even fowl, they come outside, go chop. Even dog, they come outside. But your wife just dey inside. He dey indoor. Because he no want make something happen. What do you want make it happen? Give your wife a breathing space. Respect your wife. Anything when your wife need, if you never get money to take bara, make sure you let her understand, say, hello my dear, this thing so, I never get money to take buy am. But if I get money, I will give it to you. Your wife will understand. Make your wife to understand. If you don't have, make your wife to understand. And we women, please, may we try to understand our husband. If they get, may we try to know say they get. If they not get, may we know say they not get. And women, when they talk too much, please. I know say they provoke men sometimes, but men are taken easy. But when they provoke men again, please. So next time we are going to talk about husband. But today, more first of all, stop for this woman. Maybe they take her small, small. And for those when would like to hear my other update, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that anytime when I pass out information like that, you'll be able to receive it live and direct. And for those that have any issue to discuss with me, any issue, even if it's your business, even if it's your family issue, your wife, your husband, your father, your mother, any issue that you can discuss with me personally, if you want to call me, you can call me on +393 511 684 155. I repeat again, +393 511 684 155. Thank you. God bless you.